look at this. I feel spring is around the corner. I've got spring onions from RiverFord today. I didn't know spring onions come out only in spring, because in the supermarket we can get them all year around. RiverFord produce seasonal vegetables, so I'm going to enjoy spring onions. And we'll make an Asian style soy dressing today. Wow, looking forward to it. To make nice soy dressing, ratio is important. Usually vinegar, soy and water equal amount. Okay, let's begin. 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 2 tablespoons vinegar, 2 tablespoons filtered water, and I will grate garlic now. 3 cloves garlic. When you grate garlic with this plate, it gets a nice juice out of it. It's very good. So, gathering in the middle. And now ginger, I will grate ginger. Sometimes I chop the ginger, but I need a juice. In this way you get more nice juice. Add 2 tablespoons sesame seed. This is roasted and ground. If you like, you can use sesame seed oil, like 1 teaspoon sesame seed oil will do very good job too. But I rather use sesame seed instead of sesame seed oil. Yeah, it's up to you. It's also up to you. If you want a little bit, you can use it, but I tend to use quite a lot. And then now, just spring onion. I will slice very thinly. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. So with the lemon juice, it always tastes better. Add a pinch of cardamom. And freshly ground pepper. Now it's done. So you can use this dressing with dim sum. That will be very good. And you can use this for Korean style savory pancake. We use this as a dipping sauce. We also add it to rice. And you can use it as a salad dressing too. I'm going to show you how to make noodle dishes with this soy dressing. Okay, so these mushrooms I'm going to cook with noodle, and the other one is all raw. This time I made the kale with the orange miso and ginger dressing. I'm going to show you that dressing next time. Vegetables here, the carrot, red pepper, and this is courgette, raw courgette. This is so fresh, I don't want to cook it, so I like to eat it as raw. I marinated the red onion with some vinegar, apple cider vinegar, so I'm going to add this later. I'm going to cook noodle. noodle is nearly done. I will drain the water. So now I'm adding mushrooms, cooked another couple of minutes. So seems like its mushroom is cooked. Now I'm adding this dressing. Okay, noodle is cooked. Now I'm adding coriander. This is all done, but I will add extra lemon juice. Add homemade sriracha. This is noodle with mushroom and soy dressing, and this is kale salad. So it's all done. It smells lovely. I'm going to test it. Yeah. I can really taste the individual flavors within the dressing and add a real richness to the noodles. Okie dokie. So hope you enjoy my recipe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Okie dokie. See you next time. Bye. Bye bye.